How to activate post office credit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate post office credit card online. For this, open up any web browser and head over to postoffice.co.uk. Once you land on this web page, you want to first of all log into your account. For that, click on the login option. From these options, select credit cards. Now, you will have to sign into your account. For that, enter your username. Your username could be your email address, so enter that. Then, you want to enter your password. Now, click on the sign in option. In case you have forgotten your username, you can simply click on the I have forgotten my username option. In case of password, you want to click on the second link, which is I've forgotten my password. Now, once you have been logged in, you want to look for the option of Activate Card. Click on that option. Next, you want to enter the required details to activate your card. This includes the full credit card number, expiration date of the card, and the CVV number, which is on the back of your card. Now, you want to follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your card activation. You will be asked to verify your identity through security question, one-time password sent to your mobile number, or any other method that you choose. After completing the process, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.